Hello children, happy to see you all. I am your maths teacher Sandhya from Bharathidasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 5th standard maths 3rd lesson. What is our 3rd lesson name? Very good. Our 3rd lesson name is factors and multiples. So what does mean by factors and what does mean by multiples? That and all you saw in last class. So when two or more numbers are multiplied, then the two numbers, for example 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. Here 6 and 8 are called the factors. 6 and 8 are called the factors, and then this 48 is called the multiples. 6 and 8 are called the factors and 48 is called the multiples. So in that last session you have learned what is prime number and what is composite number, then prime factorization and factor tree. So what is prime number? A number having exactly two different factors, one and the number itself. Okay, next one is composite number. So more than two factors is called the composite number, and prime factorization, that is prime factorization means product of prime numbers. So that and all you see in last session, and today we are going to see what is the common factors related problems. Okay, the first one is factors and common factors, then we are going to find the common factors. Okay, so first one is factors. What does mean by factors? So listen children, when two or more numbers are multiplied, two or more numbers are multiplied, when two or more numbers are multiplied, numbers are multiplied. When two or more numbers are multiplied, then each number is called the factors. Then each number is called the product of the factor. Then each number is called the factors. Is called the factors. So for example, I will take the question 9 8s are. So here what is the answer? 9 8s are, that is 9 times of 8 or 8 times of 9. The answer is 72. So here 9 and 8 are called the factors and 72 is called the products or multiples. 72 is called the products or 72 is called the products or multiples. Okay, so next we are going to see the common factors. What does mean by common factors? So a number that is a factor of two or more number is called the common factors. Two or more number is called the common factors. Common factors. So listen children, now we are going to find the common factors of two numbers. So take, for example, take 4 and 6. 4 and 6. First we are going to find the factors of 4, then we are going to find the factors of 6. So write factors of 4 and then factors of 6, factors of 4 and then factors of 6, factors of 6. Now tell me Kiran, what is the answer? Factors of 4. How we will find the factors? So first we are going to check the 1 table, 2 table, 3 table and then 4 table. So 1 table of 4? Yes, very good. 1 4s are 4. So 1 is a factor of 4. Then you will take a 2 table. 2 table of 4? Yes, 2 2s are 4 and then 4 table of 4. Here 3 table 4 is not possible. Then you will take the 4 table. So the answer is 1, 2, 4. Next we will take a factors of 6. Now we are going to check the 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table and then 6 table. Now tell me Anjali, what is the factor of 6? Very good. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and then 6. So 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. Now we are going to find the common factors. Pick the common numbers 1, 1, 2, 2. So the answer is 1 and 2. What is the answer? 1 and 2. So this is the common factor. So what is mean by common factors? A number that is a factor of 2 or more number is called the common factors. So now we are going to see the common factors related problems. 27 and 63. First you are going to find the factors of 27, then you are going to find the factors of 63. So take factors of 27. So write factors of 27 are factors of 27 are, then we are going to find the factors of 63. So write here the factors of 63 are factors of 63 are. First, the factors of 27, we are going to check the 1 table. So 1 table of 27, yes, how many times? 127s are 27. So write the answer, 127s are 27. So listen children, 2 table at 25 possible, na? It is not possible. Why? Because 27 is the odd number and 2 table is the even number. Next we are going to check the 3 table. In 3 table of 27, yes, how many times? 3 9s are 27. So write here 3 9s are 27. Next we are going to check 4 table. So 4 table of 27. Just will tell 4 zeros are 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28. So 27 is not there. Next we are going to check the 5 table. So 5 table at 27 possible means it is not possible. Next 6 table, 7 table and 8 table. Next we are going to check the 9 table. So 9 table at 27. Yes, how many times? 9 3s are 27. So write the answer, 9 3s are 27 and next 27 1s are 27. 27 1s are 27. Next we are going to find the factors of 63. The first table is 1 table. So write 163s are 63. And next I am going to take a 2 table. So whether it have or not. So listen here, take a 63 divided by 2. So here we have 1 digit number. So inside also you should take first digit number. 2 table of 6. Yes, how many times? 2 3s are 6. So the quotient value is 3. So write the answer, 3 2s are 6. Now 6 minus 6, the answer is 0. Then you should bring down another number. So our next number is 3. You bring down 3. Again we will take 1 2s are 2. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. Here a reminder we got 1. So it is not a possible. It is not a factor. 2 table is not a factor of 63. Next we are going to take the 3 table. Take a 3 and divide it by 63. 63 divided by 3. So take the first digit number in 3 table of 6. Yes, how many times? 2 3s are 6. So write the answer, 2 3s are 6. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. Then we should bring down 3. Again 3 table of 3. Yes, how many times? 1 3s are 3. So write here 1 3s are 3. Now 3 minus 3 is 0. So 3 is the factors of 63. How many times? 3 21s are 63. So write here 3 21s are 63. And next take 4 table. So 4 table 63 is not possible. Next we are going to take the 5 table. 5 table also not possible. 6 table also not possible. Next you are going to take the 7 table. So 7 table of 63. 7 9s are 63. So write here 7 9s are 63. And then next one 8 table. So 8 table is 63 possible, means it is not a possible. Next we are going to check the 9 table. Is 9 table of 63? Yes. How many times? 9 7s are 63. So take and write 9 7s are 63 and 21 3s are 63 and then 63 1s are 63. So 163s are 63, 3 21s are 63, 7 9s are 63, 9 7s are 63, 21 3s are 63, 63 1s are 63. Now we are going to write the factors of 27 and 63, then we are going to find the common factors. Okay. So listen here. Factors of 27 are, and next one the factors of 63 are. Write factors of 63 are. Factors of 63 are. So what is the factors of 27? The factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and then 27. So write here 1, 3, 9, 27. And then the factors of 63 are 1, 3, 7, 9, 21 and 63. So take and write the factors 1, 3, 7, 9, 21 and then 63. 1, 3, 7, 9, 21 and then 63. Now we are going to find the common factors. So find the common factors. Here we have 1 is there. Here 2 1 is there, then 3 is there, 3 is there, 9 is there, 9 is there. So the common factors of 27 and 63 is 1, 3, 9. So final answer. The common factors of 27 and 63 is. The common factors of 27 and 63 is 1, 3 and then 9. 1, 3 and 9. Next we will see the one more example. Listen here. So our final question is 32 and then 80. So as usual we should find the factors of 32 and then factors of 80. First we are going to check the 1 table up to 32 table. Likewise first we are going to check the 80 table up to 1 table and then up to 80 table. First write the factors of 32 are. Factors of 32 are. Factors of 32 are. Next we are going to see the factors of 80 are. Factors of 80 are. 80 are. So the first factors of 32 is 1. So write 132s are 32. 132s are 32. Next we are going to check 2 table of 32 or not. So now tell me Anjali, 2 table of 32? Very good. How many times? 2 16s are 32. So write the answer. 2 16s are 32. The next one is 3 table. 3 table of 32. No, 3 table 32 is not possible. Next we are going to take the 4 table. And 4 table of 32 is how many times? 4 8s are 32. So write the answer. 4 8s are 32. Next we are going to check the 5 table. So 5 table of 32. No, it is not possible. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35. So, 32 is not possible. Next we are going to take the 6 table. So, 6 table, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 30, 36. So, it is not possible. Next 7 table also not possible. Next you are going to take the 8 table. So, 8 table, 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32. Next we will take the 16 twos are 32 and then 16 twos are 32 and next one is 32 ones are 32. Write the factor 32 ones are 32. Next we are going to find the factors of 80. So, the first factor is 180s are 80. So, write the answer 180s are 80 and then take a 2 table and divide it by 80. So, take 80 divided by 2. Okay. So, take 2 and divide it by 8. So, how many times? 4 twos are 8. Write the answer 4 twos are 8. Now, 8 minus 8 is 0. Then you should bring down another number 0. And what is the answer? 2 zeros are 0. So, the quotient value is 0 twos are 0. Now, 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. So, 2 40s are 80. So, the factors of 80 is 2 and 40, right? 2 40s are 80. So, next we are going to check the 3 table. 3 table 80 is not possible. Next 4 table. So, take 80 and divide it by 4. Take 80 and then divide it by 4. The first number is 4 and then take 80. Say that 4 table, 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So, the quotient value is 2, 2 fours are 8. Now, 8 minus 8, the answer is 0. Then you should bring down another 0. So, 0 fours are 0. Now, 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. So, 4 table of 80, how many times? 4 20s are 80. So, write the answer 4 20s are 80. Next, you are going to take a 5 divided by 80. 80 divided by 5. So, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So, take 1 5s are 5. Now, what is the answer? 8 minus 5. The answer is 3. Then, you should bring down 0. And 5 table of 30 is how many times? 5 6 are 30. Here, the quotient value is 6. 6 5s are 30. Now, 30 minus 30, the answer is 0. So, 5 16s are 80. Write the answer 5 16s are 80. Next, we are going to check the 6 table. 6 table 80 is not possible. Then 7 table, 8 table. So, 8 table of 80? Yes. How many times? 8 tens are 80. So, write the factors. 8 tens are 80. And next one is 9 table. 9 table 80 is not possible. Next, we will take the 10 table. So, 10 table 10 8s are 80. And next table is 16 table, 16 5s are 80 and next one is 20 table, 20 4s are 80 and the next one is 40 table, 40 2s are 80 and final one is 80 table, 80 1s are 80, 80 1s are 80. So, now we are going to write the factors of 32 and then factors of 80. Then we are going to find the common factors. So, what is the factors of 32? Here we have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Write the factors of 32. Factors of 32 are. So, what is the factors of 32? The factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So, write 1, 2, the next one is 4, 8, 16 and then 32. Next, we are going to write the factors of 80. Here, the factors of 80 are 1, 2, 4, 5, the next one is 8, 10, 16, 20, 40 and then 80. Right? The factors of 80 are factors of 80 are. So the factors of 80 are 1, 2 and the next one is 4, 5, 8. So write 4, 5, 8 and next one is 10, 16, 20, 40, 80. So write 10, 16, 20, 40 and then final one is 80. Now we are going to find the common factor of these two numbers. Listen children, 1, 1 and then 2, 2 and what is the next common number? 4, 4 and our next common number is 8, 8 and next one is 16 and 16. 16 and the 16. So the common factors of answer, the common factors of 32 and 80 is 32 and 80 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So write the answer 1, 2, 4, 8 and then 16. So the topic name is find the common factors. First you are going to find the factors of first number, then second number, then finally you should find the common factors. Listen children, now we are going to see an interesting person. Listen here. So first the question is 26 plus dash equal to 51. So what number should be used to add 26 to get the same 51? So simply you take 51 minus 26. 51 minus 26. Take the ones place value. Here the ones place values are 1 and 6. Now 1 and 6 is not possible, right? You are going to get borrow from the before number. 1 it will change into 11 and 5 it will change into 4. So 11 minus 6, what is the answer? The answer is 5. Then 4 minus 2, the answer is 2. The answer 26 plus 25, we get the answer is 51. 26 plus 25, what is the answer? The answer is 51. Next you are going to take this column. Okay. So now you take a 51 plus dash equal to 98. Now we are going to find what number should be used to add 51 to get the sum 98. Now simply you take 98 minus 51. Take 98 minus 51. 8 minus 1, the answer is 7 and 9 minus 5, the answer is 4. So the answer is 47. Write the answer 47. If you add means you will get 98. So 1 plus 7 equal to 8. Next 5 plus 4 equal to 98. So listen here. Here 32 is there and 47 is there. So what is the answer? Now you take 47 minus 32. Take a 47 minus 32. So 7 minus 2, what is the answer? The answer is 5. 4 minus 3, the answer is 1. So take and write the answer 15. Now you should add 15 plus 32. 5 plus 2, the answer is 7. Next 1 plus 3, the answer is 4. Next listen here, 23 plus 98. What is the answer? 23 plus 98. Take 23 plus 98. Take the ones place value. Here the ones place values are 3 ones and 8 ones. So keep 3 in the mind, 8 in the finger. So 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So the answer is 121. Now we are going to find this area. So take 121 minus 66. So we will get the answer. Listen here. Take 121 minus 66. Now 1 minus 6 is not possible. Why? Because 1 is the smallest number, 6 is the greatest number. So here you are going to get borrow from the 10th place. Take 1, it will be changed 11. 2, it will change into 1. So 11 minus 6, the answer is 5. Again 1 minus 6 is not possible. 1 it will change into 11, and this one it will change into 0. Now 11 minus 6. What is the answer? 11 minus 6. The answer is 5. So write the answer 55. What is the answer? 55. Now we are going to add 55 plus 72. 55 plus 72. Take the ones place value. The ones place value is 5 and 2. Keep 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 5 after 6, 7. So write the answer 7, and 5 plus 7, the answer is 12. And here the answer is 127. What is the answer? 127. Next you are going to take a 66 plus 47. Take 66 plus 47. Add the ones place value and tens place value. Keep 6 in the mind, 7 in the finger. So what is the answer? The answer is 13. 3, carry 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. So the answer is 113. So listen children, this is for your homework. So you would do this. Listen children, in this session you have learned find the common factors and the common factors also. I hope everyone enjoyed this section. In this below description we have the study material, question bank and then assessment work. So my dear students, do all the exercise problem. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.